Incremental routines. Today I want to share with you how you can zoom in images. Especially useful in this case, I have this file, which is the stats window from Supermemo documentation, so actually for Wozniak collection. So what happens is that it's too small here. It gets resized and I cannot see that. And I'm using the same images for most of the items here. I did Ctrl F8, I added this picture as a component, and then I did the split. So all topic childs have this picture. I don't mind. So what I can do is zooming in, not cropping, because cropping will get rid of everything else. So let's say this, for instance, period. I see. So date, first day, period, memorize, and so on. Gotcha. It's at the top. So what I can do is right-click the image component and zoom and trim. Now I use my wheel. Okay, I already see it, right? Period. That's it. So what I will do is select with my right-click period, but I also want context. So I will leave the previous and the next one. So and voila. That's about period. Let's say the first day. So I will do the same. Image. Zoom and trim. Middle click, and I could leave it like that, but I want to make more obvious. And once again, the previous and the next one. And you notice that now, it's different, right? But look, now the border, the outline is red. This means that the image is extracted. It's a fraction of the picture. You're not seeing the entire picture here. If I go to one that is not extracted, like this one, you can see it's not red. So this is pretty useful because I will have only one picture on my registry, and that's it. So if I go to see F9 to see the picture, it's the same one, the entire picture. So this is useful when you are reusing a picture over and over, that instead of being illustrative is text or data, it's so convenient to do. And if for whatever reason you wanted to create a new one, you could also do it. Image and clone.